Man, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Dante, and if you read by the title, today I will be giving you a New York vlog or something like that. I forgot to record the intro in the morning when I left for my flight, so yeah, I'm in New York right now, but I'm gonna throw up some clips of me leaving and landing, and then yeah, I'm gonna show y'all around. It's my first vlog, so it might be a little ass, but we finna wing it, so yeah, I'll see y'all. Alright y'all, so the first thing we're doing, feel me, I got a bike. This motherfucker don't know how to give directions. And yeah, but where are we going? We're going to Soho or somewhere where all the stores is at, so once I get there, I'll see y'all. We're on Broadway right now, bro. This shit is so beautiful. Like, I literally live out here. I'm gonna put their channels in the description when I post this, so go check them out. I think the balls. Huh? Oh hell no! I think we finna go get some food. Oh, what the hell? Go take a picture of it. These bull balls. But this shit's beautiful, bro. I definitely live out here. Like, you can't be bored or nothing out here, bro. You always got shit to do. Go take a picture with it. But fuck no. Hold on. I'm finna show y'all these bull balls. This shit kind of like. Come on, dog. Alright y'all, so we in like this little park, feel me? And you already know, bro, I had a bite already, but bacon, egg, and cheese, boy, don't play with them. I had to get one of those. You already know, I was like, yo, let me get a bacon, egg, and cheese, you feel me? So shout out to all my New Yorkers too, bro. All my New Yorkers, I fuck with y'all, bro. I love y'all city, bro. This shit is beautiful. But yeah, so I'm finna fuck this up, bro. You already know, I'm out. My bad. Y'all want a bite? Get some, nigga. Damn, bro, y'all motherfuckers fat. But alright, I'm gonna eat this and I'll get back to y'all. Currently in H&M right now, bro. I was finna show y'all me shopping, bro. They don't got shit, bro, at all in my size. The men's section is hella small, but of course they got a big ass section for women. But I'm gonna show y'all the fit, bro. For me, a graphic tee, some cargos in the wave runners. Yeah, but I'm probably finna go to Urban Outfitters, so I'll get back to y'all. Alright y'all, we at Urban right now. I'm finna get this tote bag. That motherfucker hard. It was in the city, the one in San Francisco, that shit like 40, but the one here is only 20, so I got a couple. But I'm finna keep looking around. If I find anything else, I'll get back to you. So yeah. Alright y'all, so we just did like a 10-mile bike ride to go get this sugar factory shit. This shit better be good. It's all her fault.
No, it's not my fault.
Bro, that bike for 10 miles had to deal with these rude ass motherfuckers. Don't get out the way, bro. That's one thing I don't recommend so far, bro. Do not ride a bike in busy areas. It's not cool. Not good at all. Oh yeah, one more thing. This motherfucker kept almost getting us ran over, bro. Don't let her be the lead of your pack. Ain't that right? Ain't that right?
Aren't I a good lead?
No, wasn't she almost getting us ran over?
No, you kind of were. You're kind of going slow.
Exactly. Well, okay. I'm gonna go get this food and yeah. Peace. Alright, we're at the sugar factory right now. I got a regular strawberry shake. Is this the thing?
Yeah.
So, yeah, I'm basic, but when my food gets out here, I'll tap back in, and then that'll probably be the end of this vlog. So I hope y'all enjoy. Look at this. Alright y'all, so while I was editing the vlog, I did peep that I forgot to do an outro, so here it is. I hope you guys did enjoy my first vlog. If you did enjoy, let me know. If it was ass, let me know too, because it's my first vlog. Feel me, I'll try, but yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you're new, and follow my IG. It should be like down here somewhere. And yeah, love y'all, man. We out.